Hi, I'm Sammy, and I'm here to tell you about Homeschool with Birdwise. I want to help you to learn at home from your curriculum, whether primary or secondary school. I'll be uploading lessons to our YouTube channel, Birdwise East Kent TV, and worksheets on eastkent.birdwise.org.uk. We'll be covering science lessons on birds, their diets, life cycles, survival, food chains and webs, seasons, materials, evolution, humans and the environment, habitats, and much, much more. We'll also be talking about the beautiful birds on the coast too. I hope to see you in class soon.